Did you know that the world's most popular children's toy has a chilling secret? A secret hidden in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered? It happened in 1984, a year many remember for its dystopian fiction. Nobody saw it coming, the true purpose hidden. Hidden in plain sight, a truth nobody dared to question. The tension built as the world embraced its creation. The truth was hidden within its design, a subtle nod. A subtle nod to a forgotten Cold War experiment. A secret project designed for a different kind of battle. This beloved toy was originally conceived as a psychological conditioning tool. A tool to subtly influence generations.